Today, a revision of Unit 1, square and square roots. Page 23, HOTS. Here, values of root 2, root 5 and root 3 are given. We have to find value of, first, root 72 plus root 48. We take prime factorization of 72 and 48. So we write here root 72 as root under 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 plus root 48 root under 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Take pair 2 into 2, 3 into 3, so 2 into 3 into 2 is here on pair. Take pair here, so 2 into 2, 2 into 2, so 2 into 2, and 3 is on pair, 3 is on pair here. It becomes 2 3 is 6 root 2 into 2 2 is 4 root 3. Since given root 2 is equal to 1.414 and root 3 is equal to 1.732, putting value of root 2 and root 3 here, we get 6 into 1.414 value of root 2 plus 4 into value of root 3 1.732, multiplying we get 8.484 plus 6.928 and adding we get 15.412. Question number 2. A square root of 125 by 64. We take prime factorization. We write here 125, that is equal to 5 into 5 into 5 divided by 64, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Take pair 5 into 5, 1 5, and 5 is on pair, 5 is on pair here, 2 into 2, 2, 2 into 2, 2, 2 into 2, 2. So it becomes 5 root 5 by 2 into 2 into 2. Since given root 5 is equal to 2.236, so putting value of root 5 here, we get 5 into root 5, 2.236 by 8. It becomes, multiplying we get, it becomes 11.180 divided by 8. And dividing we get 1.3975. Now, page 21, question number 1. Page 21, question number 6. Not 1, question number 6. Devika has a square piece of cloth of area 9 meter square and she wants to make 16 square shaped scarves of equal size out of it. What should possible be the length of the sides of a scarf that can be made out of this piece? This square piece of cloth having area 9 meter square, area of a square cloth 9 meter square. That means area of 16 square scarves. 16 square scarves, that is equal to 9 meter square. Since these 16 square scarves is made of this square cloth, the area of 16 square scarves is 9 meter square, therefore area of 1 square scarf is equal to 9 divided by 16 meter square. Hence, side of 1 scarf is equal to, side is equal to square root of area, square root of 9 by 16 meter. That is equal to 3 by 4 meter. It is equal to 0.75 meter or 75 centimeter. Now, page 14. Page 14, question number 5. Find the least number of 6 digits which is a perfect square. Find the square root of this number. the let least number of 6 digits 1 0 0 0 0 0. It is the smallest number of 6 digits, but it is not a perfect square. First we take the square root of this number. The square root of 1 lakh, it becomes 316, but remaining it is 144. It shows that this number is greater than the square of 316, but it must be less than a square of 317. So we write here 1 lakh, that is greater than 316 square, but it is less than 317 square. Hence, least number of 6 digits, which is a perfect square, that is 317 square, that is equal to 1,04,489, and its a square root. A square root of 1,04,89, that is equal to 317. Now, question number, page 11, question number 7. It is area of a square field is 5,184 meter square. Area of a square field, its area is 5,184 meter square. A rectangular field whose length is twice its breadth. A rectangular field whose length, it is double the breadth, twice of a breadth. If a breadth is x, length is 2x, double the breadth. It is given the perimeter of both a square and rectangular field are equal. Find area of a square field. Here it is given area of a square field, that is equal to 5,184 meter square. Therefore, side of a square field, a square root of area, a square root of 5,184 meter, that is equal to 72 meter. It is a side of a square field. This length is 72 meter. Therefore, perimeter, length of a boundary, perimeter of a square field, it is equal to 4 into side, 4 into 72 meter, that is equal to 288 meter. Now, let breadth of a rectangular field is x meter. Breadth of a rectangular field, it is x meter. Therefore, length of rectangular field, it is 2x meter. Let breadth of rectangular field is x meter. Hence, length of rectangular field is 2x meter. Therefore, perimeter of rectangular field, the 2 into length plus breadth, perimeter of rectangle. 2 into length 2x plus breadth x meter. 2 into 3x meter, that is equal to 6x meter. Now, according to question is given here, the perimeter of a square field, it is equal to perimeter of a rectangular field. According to question, perimeter of a square field, it is equal to perimeter of rectangular field. 6x, it is equal to 288. 6x is equal to 288, or x is equal to 288 divided by 6. X is equal to 48 meter. Area of rectangle, that is equal to length into breadth. Length 2x into breadth x, so 2 into x square, meter square. 2 into, putting value of x, that is 48, so 2 into 48 square. 2 into 48 square, that is equal to 2 into 2,304. 48 square, square of 48, 2,304 meter. It is equal to 4,608 meter square. Thank you.